Here's a question for every investor to think about. There's a risk in investing in Bitcoin and all crypto. There's also a risk of not investing in it, because if it's true that it becomes the 12th sector of the S&P in the next decade, some of the value in financial services stocks like banks, like money center banks, are going to transfer to these new technologies, and you simply don't know when that's going to happen. So my thesis is you should have some crypto in your portfolio, because you don't know when that's going to occur. And if you completely don't have exposure to it, you may miss participating in the growth of this 12th sector of the S&P, which would be a bad outcome for performance.
How much of your portfolio is currently in crypto?
It was 20% before the correction. It's now 16.2. We monitor it every day, just like we do stocks. We're having a very hard time with our auditors and internal compliance people because it doesn't act like an equity. It doesn't act like a bond. It trades liquid 24 hours a day. So mark to market means nothing at 4:01 in the afternoon. So we're constantly monitoring that. But I'm not the only person that has this view. We are adding to that position because in the way we manage our operating company's portfolio, we can have any sector up to 20%, but no more than 5% in any one position. So given that, we have a lot of different positions, and we just put capital to work in Miston last week, that project that came out of Facebook. We're always looking for new projects because we simply don't know which ones are going to survive. But we don't need them all to survive. We just need a portion, just like venture investing. But crypto is going to cause a lot of disruption, in my view, in financial services, which is a large sector of the S&P. So if you don't invest in it, you also have the risk of missing that transition.